Hello students, we are going to make a kite today. So are you excited about it? Do you know how a kite looks? Well, yes, it looks something like this. Can you tell me which shape this is? Well, this is a diamond, but if you tilt it a little, it looks like a square. So, at first, let's start by drawing a line which is of 10 centimeter. And then draw a sleeping line from 5 centimeter. It can be a little difficult, but let's follow the steps which we see here for making these lines. Yes, once we make these dots at equal distance, we are going to make these two slanting lines. And after that, let's make these slanting lines right here, connecting it. Oh wow, we see two triangles next to each other. Well, this line is of 7 centimeter. And what is the half of 7? Yes, it is 3.5. So, let's take a dot at 3.5 here. You know why? Because we are going to make X over here, or two slanting lines which are meeting at this center point on the standing line. Isn't this interesting? After this, we are going to make a curve like this. Wow, this looks beautiful. Let's erase the curve which is not required. And then make it properly once again. This is lovely. Let's make a triangle now. So, how to make a triangle? Well, a triangle has 3 dots. So, let's make these 3 dots and start joining the dots. We are not going to start the triangle from the tip of our diamond. We are going to overlap it a little above this and then erase the inside part. This was so simple, isn't it? Can we take our black sketch pen and start sketching now? Yes, I'm waiting for you. Let's do this together. This is lovely. Try and make freehand lines so that you practice making standing, slanting and sleeping lines without a scale. Let's make this line now. Pick up your hand when you reach the center and continue forward. After this, let's make this curved line. And look, our beautiful kite is ready. Can we start by coloring this now? Yes, let's take a light green color at first. We are going to do the above diamond like this. Yes, we have to make sure that we do not go outside the sketch pen marks. Can we color only in one direction? This is brilliant. Continue with the same color below. It is alright if you do not have the same shade mentioned in the book. You can take a shade closer to it. Continue coloring this. Try and press the color very hard on top of the paper so that you can color it nicely and no white spaces are seen. Let's continue with the outline and then color inside. This activity is so much fun. Continue coloring it with me. This is lovely. Press the color hard so that we do not have any white spaces. This is great. Finally, let's go ahead with this triangle. Let's color slowly and nicely inside the triangle. Wow, this looks beautiful.